In this video, you are seeing the ESP8266 going to work as a Webplotter for random signals, which we are going to generate 4 signals. So this is the entire code going to work for this experiment. What are you seeing? So we are just verifying the specification and going to compile and upload this code into ESP8266 microcontroller, and it's just going to generate the Webplotter random graph in web page. So copy the IP address and put it into the search page, and the result appears like this. It will generate random pulses. Thank you.